Hi, this is Code Sensei Master Hun, and I wanted to show you a cute code project that one of my students handed in. Her name, her code name is WASP, and she coded this. Uh, I think it's awesome, awesome Happy Halloween pumpkin. Okay, I called Happy Halloween Pumpkin. Um, I'm going to run the code and you'll see the little turtle draw the pumpkin. Okay, it's drawing the face, and now it's cutting out the teeth, the mouth, and now it's going to cut out the eyes, and now it's putting in the pumpkin's stem and the message, and then typing out the message, Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, wishing you a safe and happy Halloween from me and all my students. Take care.